To perform the Bretzel, what we're going to do is we're going to do 3 parts kind of leading up to the Bretzel. So this exercise, what we're going to do is called the open book stretch. What Renee's going to do, she's going to bring her left leg forward, rest that on the ground, and then she's going to take the 2 arms, extend them together out, and then she's going to take her left arm and rotate open like an open book, letting her head follow the shoulder motion and back. And then we're going to repeat that 10 times on both sides. What we're doing is we're just prepping our body here for the next portion of the exercise. And this is called the open book portion of the stretch. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to have Renee come up to a lunge position, her left leg back, her right leg forward. And what we want to do is we want to just mobilize the front of the hip. So what I'm going to have Renee do is just lunge into it and back, and then repeat that 10 times on each side. Good. And you can relax. And the next portion, what we're going to do is for the hip flexor in the front here. So bring both legs down so you're on your knees. Grab your left ankle and squeeze your glute as you're bringing your heel towards your butt. And what you'll feel is a real good deep stretch in the front of the hip there. And what this does is, again, preps our body for the next portion of the exercise. So you're going to hold for 10 seconds, relax, repeat that 3 times, do both legs. This is just a great stretch in general. And once you get more flexibility, you can bring the other leg forward and then do the exercise. Okay, so let's put it all together now to do the Bretzel. So we're going to have her start on her right side again, like we did with the open book. She's going to bring her left leg forward like that. She's going to bend her bottom leg, okay, like this. And what she's going to do, she's going to take her left arm and grab her ankle. And now she's going to take her right arm and grab her thigh. And all she's going to do is try to rotate her upper body up like the open book. So she's going to rotate as much as she can in that pain-free range of motion, just getting a nice, good stretch. Depending on where you're tight, you may feel it more in the upper back, you may feel it more in the thighs or in the lower back. But this is a great exercise to help mobilize both the upper body and the lower body and the hip flexors. So you want to do this on both sides, right? So you want to do 10 repetitions on each side. And this one's called the Bretzel. This is a great exercise for your upper back and lower back.